Hey everybody, it's Matt from CourseStorm again. I wanted to give you a quick demo on a new upgrade that we're launching very soon here for universal transfers. So that's the ability to transfer between any class in the system no matter what the situation. So we're talking price differences, payment plans, promo codes, add-ons, discounts, custom registration form questions, you name it. This new universal transfer system supports it. So you're no longer restricted to just transferring between classes of the same type and price. So let me give you a quick demo on how that works. Here we're looking at a sample catalog, and let's say I have two registrants for this Introduction to Acting class. So we have me and my wife, but let's say I'm taking the class and I'm just not really into it. It's not working for me. I might be more of an improv guy rather than an acting guy. Well, no problem. So we'll just click on my registration here, and then we're going to transfer between classes. So here I am registered for Intro to Acting, and let's say we transfer to Improv. Well, the interesting thing is that Improv here has both some extra questions associated with it, which you'll see in a moment, as well as a price difference. So this particular registration is $200, but the Improv class, well, that's $150. So I'll show you how that goes. We're going to click Actions and then Transfer Student here. So now the first thing it asks is, what class do I want to transfer to? So I'll type Improv. We'll choose Improvisation for Everyone here. I'll click that. And now the system has already detected that that new Improv class actually has some additional questions on it. And so it's going to ask us those questions during the transfer. So I'm going to click Continue here. Great. So here are those questions. The first is just, have I ever done it before? So I'm going to say no. And then for the second one here, it's asking about a t-shirt. Do we want to buy the t-shirt? Why not? So let's say yes to that, and that's going to add $15 to the registration. No problem. So we'll hit continue. And as you'll see on the the transfer screen here, it's got all the details about what we're doing. So we're transferring to Improv class. It has the date, the location. I could change that in case I selected the wrong class. And then it's going to give you a list of everything that it's going to do, just so you feel really confident before you make the transfer. So it's letting you know that it's going to email the student, which is Matt, and it's also going to email the instructors, both the original instructor as well as your new instructor. So both instructors will know about the transfer. And then you'll see here it's going to automatically refund $35. So the cost difference between those classes was $50, but because of the add-on of $15 for the t-shirt, the system knows that the refund amount should be $35. And because Matt's credit card is already on file, we can just refund directly back to the card. But if you wanted to change the refund amount, you can. So you could click that and you could go change it. And it's also going to store the information for those new questions that we answered, but you can change those answers as well. So if I wanted to go back and no longer get the t-shirt, I could do that. And then when I save that, I'll come back to this screen and we'll see the $50 refund amount. So it's keeping track of everything for you. And that's it. Again, if you have payment plans, promo codes, any of those different situations, this We Will section is going to really be your friend because it's going to tell you every single thing it's doing. It handles all the payment plan adjustments for, if you were on a payment plan and now the new class doesn't support it, or it does, all those different combinations that you could imagine, this new system supports it. And so it's going to be really, really helpful for you to have much more flexibility in your day-to-day transfers. Hopefully that's useful, but see you next time.